Seenso Health is an innovative semantic medical search engine that offers a new way of searching for health-related information on the internet. It mimics the behavior of a knowledgeable and helpful guide by suggesting things that users should know or do in response to a search query. Our goal is to make internet searching easier and to help users gain a better understanding about what they're searching for. Seenso is also an internet platform dedicated to promoting public health. For this reason, an important feature of Seenso is that it is entirely free of advertising and does not keep track of personal information, allowing users to obtain medical information in privacy. Furthermore, Seenso only indexes quality sources and avoid dubious and over-commercial websites. We use the term organic search to describe this combination of user-centered, ad-free, user-tracking-free approach to search. Let's search for some health-related issue. For instance, a user might be interested to find information about, let's say, melanoma. Here we have the main search results. Contrarily to most search engines which uses link popularity as the main relevance indicator, Seenso measures the relevance of web pages by actually reading the content of each page using an innovative cognitive-based semantic approach, and then by establishing its value for users solely based on the content found on the page. This approach enables the search engine to identify and provide information that is more directly linked to users' needs. This is a new approach in search technology. Those results were not returned because they were popular or well rated by users, but because an intelligent analysis of the content assured its relevance for users. For each result, we clearly indicate the source of the information and invite users to look for more information from the same source. 4 types of results are presented: web results, news results in order of recency of the news, videos, all from trusted, identified sources, and then we have images. A very large number of results is available from a variety of trusted sources. One of the main features of Seenso is the guided exploration tree at the left of the screen. This gives you a comprehensive overview of the various important issues involved, as well as a navigation map for guiding your search. You can decide what topic to explore based on your goals, information needs, and preferences for a given situation. For instance, here we might want to look at cause and risk factors. Pages shown here specifically discuss cause and risk factors, and a key sentence is presented in each case. We have also news, videos, and images. Similarly, we might want to explore treatments, and some items like making informed decision can be especially useful. This, for instance, shows us pages from trusted sources where special attention is given on how to make informed decision for this particular condition. Using narrow search and related search, users can explore the specific relations between the current topic and other disease, drugs, procedure, or health topics. Narrow search indicates topics that are often associated to the main topic through some semantic relations. For instance, here we have related symptoms, related tests, related drugs, treatment modalities, related procedure. For instance, if we select biopsy, we obtain a narrow search about biopsy for melanoma, for which we also have, of course, news and videos specifically related to that subtopic. For instance, we can also select, let's say, treatment modality, immunotherapy. Related search is a way to explore subtopics of the main topics. In this case, we are presented with various subtypes of melanoma. Let's choose, for instance, melanoma of the eye. So this is a new search in which we get news and videos as well as images. In this tree, for instance, we can explore prevention, which will give us results specifically related to prevention of melanoma of the eye. Seenso has knowledge about disease, symptoms, injuries, drugs, medical procedures, and all other health topics. Let's search for medical procedure. For instance, let's try knee replacement. So once again, we get web, result, recent news, a large number of videos. You can go to the next page of videos, for instance. A large number of images, which we could expand to see more images. Because a procedure is very different from a medical condition, the guided exploration tree will also be very different. In this case, we have items like what is it used for, who needs it, how is it done, how do we undergo the procedure, what are the precautions to take. For instance, let's take a look at what is it used for. Then you have specific results here that address these questions. Who needs it? Different result, explain different situations. If we search, for instance, for a drug, let's try ibuprofen. Here again, we have a fairly different kind of tree, because in the case of a drug, we'd be more interested in things like side effects, drug interaction, clinical evidence, for instance, how it's administered, etc. Besides searching for specific information, Seenso also offers a variety of topics to explore. We have daily news, a series of useful tools, symptoms checkers, pill identifiers, well-organized self-care information about vaccine screening recommendation, healthy living, and a way to explore diseases, symptom, and injury through a variety of classifications, like disease types, diseases by gender and age, by body system. Seenso means a search engine with soul. Seenso has a soul because it understands when it receives a search query from you that there's a real person on the other side of the screen. You may experience pain, suffering, distress. You may hope that someone will take your best interest at heart and try to understand your real needs and provide information that can help you. Seenso is invented just for that, to provide high-quality medical information that you need in a way that helps you understand what you should know or do when dealing with a medical problem. Through the combination of cognitive and semantic approaches to text analysis, Seenso tries to identify the meaningful content on the web pages, to understand the challenges and tasks that you may face in a given medical situation, and to provide the kinds of information that you need and in the way that empowers you. Furthermore, Seenso presents only organic search results without feeding you with any form of advertisement. All those efforts are geared towards making your medical search more relevant, useful, and efficient. Seenso has a soul because it believes that you are entitled to privacy regarding your medical condition. You should be able to go on the internet to search about medical condition without being tracked or worried about the potential exposure of your privacy. Seenso has a soul because it strives to provide the best medical information available on the internet, faithfully serving the medical information needs of you and your family. If Seenso can in some way help people live healthier, happier, and longer lives, then Seenso's mission is accomplished.